Are you struggling with how to create subtitles in Sphinx without cluttering your table of contents? You're not alone. Many users face this challenge while documenting their Python modules. Today, we're going to solve this problem together. I totally get it. Adding too many titles to your table of contents can make navigating your documentation a nightmare. It's frustrating when you want to keep things organized, but also want to provide detailed information. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to add subtitles to their Sphinx documentation without having those subtitles appear in the table of contents. They want to keep their documentation clean and easy to navigate. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's the issue here? In Sphinx, every title you create can automatically be added to the table of contents, which can lead to an overwhelming list. We need to find a way to create subtitles that won't show up there. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your documentation even more user-friendly. To create subtitles in Sphinx that do not appear in the TOC tree, the user should use a specific type of underline. For subtitles, the user can use asterisks for the underline. Next, the user should ensure that the subtitles are formatted correctly. Each subtitle should be followed by a brief description, which can be added directly below it. The user can repeat this process for additional subtitles. Each subtitle should have its own line of asterisks to create a clear separation. Finally, the user should build the documentation to see the changes. This can be done by running the Sphinx build command in the terminal. Fun fact, did you know that Sphinx was originally created for the Python documentation? It's amazing how it has evolved to help so many projects. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution to your question is to use the TOC tree directive's title solely option. This allows you to include only the titles of your documents in the table of contents without displaying any section headers from those documents. By using the title solely option, you can keep your documentation organized without cluttering the table of contents with section headers. This is particularly useful for maintaining a clean and user-friendly navigation experience. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check the Sphinx documentation for updates on formatting. They frequently add new features that can enhance your documentation experience. And there you have it. You can now add subtitles to your Sphinx documentation without cluttering your table of contents. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on documentation.